Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to stop verification required when installing free apps. In this video I'll help you, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is change or update Apple ID payment method. If you were able to download an app on your iPhone previously but now are getting a verification required error on the App Store, there is a good chance it's because of an issue with your payment method. If your credit card or debit card has expired or there have been changes to your name or address, your financial institution may automatically update your card information. This can lead to discrepancies between the newly updated card details and the payment information associated with the Apple ID, causing a mismatch that triggers the verification required error. This, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID. Next, choose payment and shipping. Enter your passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. Current payment information might open. Then tap back to go to the payment and shipping. Then select add payment method. Fill in with the details and then tap done and you are done. And the next step is pay any unpaid subscription dues. Your purchase may fail if you don't have sufficient funds on your preferred payment method. In this case, a declined payment or a payment failure will prompt your iPhone to show a verification required pop-up, so you can quickly update the payment method. To check if you have any unpaid subscription, head to settings and then tap on your Apple ID. Next, tap on subscriptions and then check if you have any subscription that require payment. Then go back to your Apple ID page and then choose media and purchases and then tap on view account from the pop-up menu. Here select purchase history. If you have hidden them, be sure to unhide your App Store purchases first. If you have made purchases you have not paid for yet, you will see an amount you owe in red under the app download or in-app purchases you make, and you are done. And the next step is disable App Store restrictions. If you are using screen time, it will restrict you from making purchases and downloading apps. Thus you can fix the verification required error on the App Store. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to screen time option. Next, scroll down and then choose content and privacy restrictions. Next, go to iTunes and App Store purchases from the content and privacy restrictions on iPhone. Ensure that installing apps and in-app purchases are allowed. Further, select don't require under the require password section and you are done. And the next step is agree to terms and conditions for media and purchases. It's also possible that you skipped agreeing to the terms and conditions for purchases on the App Store. For this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID name. Next, choose media and purchases and then tap on view accounts. Agree to terms and conditions for media and purchases. If you have not agreed to the terms and conditions, you will see a pop-up asking you for the review and approve them and you are done. And the next step is sign out and sign in back to your Apple ID. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down and here you can see the option of sign out. Tap on it and then sign out of your Apple ID, and after restarting your iPhone, sign in again to your Apple ID and you are done. I hope this video will help you to stop verification required when installing free apps, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.